This brand new 2025 Honda Ridgeline unfortunately was involved in a parking lot hit and run that left a very deep crease. There were a couple tiny scratches and a chip on the edge next to the taillight, but the customer was totally fine touching it up instead of having it repainted at a body shop. Barton was patient and skillfully working the metal back into shape using the Paintless Dent Removal method of repair, where we use special rods and tools, and in this case, he did a little glue pulling as well. Watching this process in action, you can see there is quite a bit involved and a level of skill that's really important to look for when you're hiring a PDR technician to work on your vehicle. This repair turned out really nicely, and the customer was really happy that they were able to keep their original factory finish on this new truck. Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair is your premier option for PDR in Destin, Florida. So if you've got a dent, you should call us today.